Friends, welcome to my channel Vocabulary Practice with Namo. Friends, today I am going to teach you SSC previous year exams, idioms and phrases. So let's start it. The first word is idioms is get out of hand. Means the first word is get out of hand. Means get out of control. In Hindi हाथ से निकल जाना. For example, a boy is get out of hand because of his habit, because we can't change him. The second word is cost and arm and a leg. The second word is cost and arm and a leg. Means very expensive. The second word is cost and arm and a leg. Means very expensive. In Hindi, बहुत महंगा. Now I am going to tell you the third word. This is very important idioms and it came so many times in SSC previous year exams. At daggers drawn means bitterly at daggers drawn means bitterly hostile. In Hindi छुरा निकालना. At daggers drawn means bitterly hostile. In Hindi छुरा निकालना. In simple word, a person who is like an enemy. It's called at daggers drawn, bitterly hostile. Now I am going to tell you the fourth word. Play ducks and drakes means to carelessly misuse someone. Carelessly misuse someone wealth. To play ducks and drakes means carelessly misuse someone wealth. In Hindi किसी की संपत्ति को बहुत ही गलत तरीके से खर्च करना. Now I am going to tell you the fifth word, which is also very important in terms of our exam. Pull pull yourself together means pull yourself together means calm down in difficult situation. In हिंदी बहुत ही संयम से काम करना कठिन समय में भी. Now I am going to tell you the 6 idioms. Lead someone by nose. Lead someone by nose means to dominate someone. In हिंदी किसी को दबाना. Now I am going to tell you the 6 idioms, which is also very important. 7. The 7th word is out of the woods, means no longer in trouble. In हिंदी और ज़्यादा दिक्कत में लंबे समय के लिए नहीं रहना. Now I am going to tell you the 8th word. Butterflies in the stomach means nervous. Butterflies in the stomach means nervous. In हिंदी उलझन होना किसी चीज को बताने के लिए. Now I am going to tell you the 9th word. The alpha and the omega means the beginning and the end. The alpha and the omega means the beginning and the end. In हिंदी शुरुआत से अंत तक. Last word for today's lesson is throw up a sponge, means to surrender. In हिंदी आत्मसमर्पण करना. So that's all for today's class. I hope you like my content. Please do like and subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon with all. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.